Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and adjust the Mantle Assist in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, let's open settings by pressing the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen in the main menu, or by pressing F3 button on your keyboard. Then go to keyboard and mouse menu and select movement tab at the top of your screen. Once you're here, you will see the Mantle Assist, which is the second option in this menu. To enable it, drop the list down and select either low Mantle Assist, which will activate when you're sprinting towards low obstacle, or on, which will activate when you're sprinting towards every obstacle that can be mantled. And to adjust the Mantle Assist, you have to drop this list down by clicking show more, and as you can see, you can enable mantling sideways by switching this toggle to the right, mantling backwards by switching this one. You can enable tactical sprint only by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also change the Mantle Assist angle from tight to medium to loose. And as you can see that here on the right side of the screen, tight is intended when sprinting perpendicular to an obstacle. Medium is used to when sprinting roughly towards an obstacle, and loose activates mantling when you're sprinting near an obstacle. And that's it. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. So, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.